right, it seems that our Balitaw contestants are very much excited. So to our audience, who do you think is the champion? Hala, di jud may kadungog sa inyong suporta. Who will be the champion for our Balitaw competition? Oh my gosh, one more time! My goodness gracious, I am loving the love and energy. And not to mention the support from you guys as well. Alright, is it the, thank you so much, ma'am. So just a quick info to each and every one of us. The prizes at stake will be stated now. Since we have, we have noticed the wonderful talents of our dear contestants, we have a consolation prize of 8,000 pesos for each non-winners. For the second runner-up, we will bestow 10,000 pesos and a trophy. For the first runner-up, we have 12,000 pesos and a trophy. And for our champion for the Balitaw competition, will receive 15,000 pesos and a trophy. All right, here I have the results. This will be announced by our Buglasan director, Miss Glenda Dispuatan. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
May we request the Board of Judges to please come up here on stage whilst we announce our winners. Kitang tanan mo agree nga silang tanan maayog yun ang ilang performance. So, let us give them makabungog na pakpak ring dapita. Pakpakan nato ang atong mga Balitaw contestants. There they are. All right. Atong ikatulong dapit or third place winner. The third place winner goes to the city of Bayawan. Congratulations. Congratulations, Bayawan City. All right. The second place winner, ang ikaduhang dapit sa atong Buglasan Balitaw competition goes to the municipality of Valencia. Congratulations. And the champion, kinsabi give me a lungsod. Unsa? Ha? Alright. The champion, municipality of Mabinay. There you go. Champion. Our consolation prize goes to Darwin, Dumaguete City, and Bacong. So congratulations, one and all. Let's give them all a round of applause. Salamat, judges.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to all of the winners. And at this moment, we will now proceed to the vocal duet competition awarding of winners. Our prize pool consists of, for the 12 consolation prizes, we have 10,000 pesos per pair. For the second runner-up, we have 14,000 per pair. For our first runner-up, we have 16,000 per pair. And for the champion, you will receive 20,000 pesos per pair.
Alright, I have good news for the winners. Because our executive director, Mr. Makiling, and the governor is impressed by the performance of our vocal duet. Our champion pair will get 30,000 instead of 20. The second place will get 20,000 instead of 16. And the third place gets 15,000 instead of 14. The consolation prize remains at 10,000 pesos. Atong bakbakan silang tanan, kay grabe gyud ang ilang abilidad. And they have really made their town and their city very, very proud. All right, here are the results. And judges, coming up here, our very talented judges. The Kinto Boys of Cebu. Check them out on their social media pages. The third place winner of the Buglasan Vocal Duet Competition goes to the municipality of Valencia. Congratulations, Valencia. Even the judges earlier admitted how difficult it was to judge all of you. But certainly with their experience and expertise, the winners are now revealed. All right, let's go to the second place winner. Ang ikaduhang dapit sa atong Buglasan Vocal Duet goes to the municipality of Amlan. Congratulations! That's a happy pair. Congratulations. All right. Ang kampiyon sa atong vocal duet competition in this year's Buglasan goes to the city of Bayin. The city of Bayin. Congratulations. Bayin seems to be winning a lot in Buglasan this year. Congratulations, Bayin City, our champion for the Buglasan Vocal Duet. Once again, thank you to the members of the Board of Judges. Thank you to the tabulators, the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and the Accounting Office of the Negros Oriental Provincial Government. Thank you all very much. So kang tanan, mga niya dinhi. Salamat sa inyong pag-ari And check out the schedule of Puglasan tomorrow and the succeeding days.
Thank you so much, Miss Dis and Sir RR, as well as our dear judges. And to all of our winners tonight, congratulations for your incredible performance. So and now, ladies and gentlemen, are to our vocal duet contestants for a final photo op. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness the winning song piece of our Balitaw Competition champions. A big round of applause, please. Champions from the Balitaw Competition. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Ani kaming padayag sa gugma, paminawara, pinaagi sa kanta, napantuguti kami, mangayog katahuran, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Maayong gabi! Maayong gabi!
Unsa may tuyo nimo kanako nganong ani agaman undo giunsa man nimo sa paglabang nga malisod kaayo ang dalan.
Inday ipaktas kung kabaknitan sa pangandoy maabot sa imong atubangan, timaan sa gugma ko nga matuod pakapinan pa og luhod-luhod.
Baya undo wala bako nimo kaila kung kinsa ka o taga-asa, pwede ba nga mubalik ka kung asa ka gikan nga lungga.
Intaon inday maluoy ka, ayaw intaon ako upadlasa, gikan ba ako sa lungsod sa Mabinay, akong pangalan si Tansyong Baklay.
Unya undo nasayod ka ba ni kugma kong werteng mahala, basin unya dili ka kaagwan ka, wala kay kwarta kay tapulang ka.
Ako'y tawo inday nga ugihan, daghan ako panginabuhian, aduna ko'y dakop nga katughan, aduna sabko'y dakop nga tindahan.
Basin undo nga nahinambog lang, wala di ay sulod ang tindahan, ngay ang imong kanhing sari-sari store, karon nahimong sira-sira store.
Ako inday adunay dala, cellphone gikan sa Amerika, latest model kini sa iPhone, ihatag ko kanimo